In this video, I go on the EKTA cruise at the Statue of Unity.
I see the Statue of Unity.
This is the main entrance where you get your tickets. Time to go to the boat.
I'm gonna sit here. Okay. Okay? Okay.
I want to sit at back. How far do we have to travel to get there?
Not long.
When we come back in, can I go in the back maybe?
Yeah.
Hope I don't get seasick.
Thank you. The first one's on.
Please press the thumbs up button and subscribe button. We got this magnet. I love boat rides.
So, let's go.
Me and my daddy on the boat ready to go.
वेलकम के साथ वेलकम जगह को खींच कर कुछ इस तरीके से अलग कर लीजिए फिर से अपने पर पहन लेना है फर्स्ट वाली क्लिप को रिपीट कर दीजिए
There was a dance show on the boat.
एक बार जोरदार तालियां से बच्चे come on everyone लोग एंजॉय कर रहे थे गरबा को भी अगर आप भी कम ऑन
My dad wanted me to dance, but I was shy. Now we went upstairs. Now we seen the Statue of Unity for the first time.
I see the Statue of Unity. See it?
How big it is?
There's stones coming by.
Where?
There. We're gonna crash into it. I see them down there. There's lots of waves. Are we nearly there?
Yeah. You want to get the boat, we don't get off it, we come back. We go back to where the boat started, we don't get off the boat.
We can get a helicopter ride around it.
I think so, I'm not sure if it's still doing it.
If it does, I want to. Look!
What?
Statue of me. You can ring the bell. Look! Look! Skipping the rock. Look, didn't even skip it. Do you know skipping a rock? Just thrown into the sea and it goes one more. I never done it. I think he's specialer than Jesus. Look how big it is. I bet the biggest tower in the world is bigger. Do you know what tower is that bigger?
No. Yeah, but it is a viewing part. That's where we were up.
I hope one day they make a statue of me like this. Cheese! You can get off here to go to the statue. But we went to the statue in the morning.
Look,
Eat it and quick before it melts.
already melted.
Show me your face.
You just put your hand in my ice cream.
Like chocolate all over your mouth.
Covered in chocolate ice cream.
We are going back now.
Do you want to go on top of his head? That's what we're doing tomorrow, going on top of his head.
Dad, see that?
What?
Do you see that floor?
Yeah,
See this hat?
yeah.
I'm gonna take it off all day and sunbathe.
You like the statue in Logan?
It's too big.
We had a look in the wheelhouse.
Like it?
I see the cameras.
Thank you.
अब इसके बाद कहाँ जाना है प्राइस
Amy keeps on coming to me, and when I look at him, it just keeps on running away. Do you see that little boy with green t-shirt? With the Marvel t-shirt. See it?
Come back.
What is your name?
Logan, what's your name?
My name is Kevadia. My name is Narmada. My name is Sun.
How old are you?
I'm 9 years old. I'm 6 years old. I am 7 years old. And my name is Advik.
She looks older than you.
Where do you have come from?
England.
Can you tell your name again?
Logan.
I'm from here only. MP Dhar, and he's my brother.
How old is he?
He is 3 years old. City you have come from?
Doncaster.
Lancaster. Which school you study? I am from India. We from India. From which school you are?
Hilltop Academy.
Yeah, I am from St. George English Medium School, and he is also in St. George. Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Friend?
We are back now.
Look at the back eye, fall over.
You are enjoying your journey, huh? Yeah. Bye.
Time to get back in the buggy. I wanted to sit at the back this time.
You like the boat ride?
Look at the sun shining on the water.
Maybe the boat ride is more.
Look at the sun shining on the water.
Yeah.
What?
It has like greasy gas inside.
Is it?
I like it out back. Woo. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching.
Please press the subscribe button.